Are you searching for the perfect travel gift that won't break the bank? Whether you're shopping for a frequent flyer, a weekend wanderer, or someone who just loves the thrill of exploring new places, finding budget-friendly gifts can be a challenge. Luckily, we've curated a list of 7 fantastic travel gifts that combine practicality and style without straining your wallet. From versatile backpacks to chic cosmetic bags, these items are perfect for every traveler on your list. So let's dive into the 7 best budget-friendly travel gifts that everyone will appreciate. Number 1. Once Upon a Rose Cosmetic Bag. Set first on our list is the Once Upon a Rose Cosmetic Bag set. This charming set is perfect for travelers who want to keep their beauty essentials organized and accessible. With its eye-catching floral design, it adds a touch of elegance to any travel routine. The set includes multiple bags of varying sizes, making it easy to separate makeup from skincare and other essentials. Crafted with high-quality materials, these bags are not only stylish, but also durable, ensuring they can withstand the hustle and bustle of travel. The usability of this set is top-notch. The bags feature easy-to-clean fabric, allowing for quick maintenance during trips. The zipper closures are smooth, which means quickly accessing your products is hassle-free. Each bag is lightweight and compact, fitting effortlessly into any carry-on or suitcase without compromising space for other items. This set transforms the often tedious task of packing cosmetics into a seamless experience. Whether you're heading to a tropical beach or a chilly city escape, the Once Upon a Rose Cosmetic Bag set is a stylish and practical choice for all travelers.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. SdySM 17.3-inch Laptop Backpack. Next up is the SdySM 17.3-inch Laptop Backpack, an essential for any traveler who needs to stay connected on the go. Designed to accommodate up to a 17.3-inch laptop, this backpack combines functionality with comfort. The stylish yet understated design makes it suitable for both business and casual trips. Constructed from high-quality, water-resistant fabric, it ensures that your gadgets are protected wherever you are. Among its standout features are the multiple compartments that allow for organized storage. A dedicated laptop compartment, multiple pockets for accessories, and an external USB charging port make this bag incredibly practical. You can charge your devices on the go while keeping everything you need within arm's reach. The padded shoulder straps ensure comfort even during extended wear, making it perfect for airport navigation or long day trips. With a sleek design and excellent durability, the SdySM Laptop Backpack is an excellent investment for anyone who often travels with tech. Whether it's for work, school, or leisure travel, this backpack meets all needs without compromising style or performance. Number 3. Swig Life 32OZ Insulated Tumbler. Coming in at number 3, we have the Swig Life 32OZ Insulated Tumbler, the ultimate companion for keeping your beverages at the perfect temperature. Whether you prefer hot coffee during your morning flight or ice-cold water while exploring a new city, this tumbler does it all. Made from high-quality stainless steel and featuring double-wall vacuum insulation, it maintains the temperature for hours, ensuring that your drink stays just the way you like it. The design of the Swig Life tumbler is both practical and chic, with a powder-coated finish that not only looks good, but also provides a non-slip grip. The wide mouth opening makes filling and cleaning the tumbler a breeze. The included slide lid prevents spills, making it an excellent choice for travel days when you're on the move. With a capacity of 32 ounces, it ensures you stay hydrated during long journeys without needing constant refills. It's also cup holder compatible, making it easy to take on the road or in your carry-on. Combining usability, style, and insulation performance, the Swig Life Tumbler is the ideal travel partner for any adventure. Number 4. Puslom Extra Large Travel Laptop Backpack. At number 4, we have the Puslom Extra Large Travel Laptop Backpack, a perfect solution for those who require ample space without compromising on mobility. Featuring an extra-large design, this backpack is perfect for anyone who travels with a lot of gear. Made from high-quality, water-resistant fabric, it offers both protection and durability, vital for travel environments. Equipped with a dedicated padded compartment, it easily accommodates laptops up to 17.3 inches. The multiple pockets and compartments are designed to keep everything organized, from tech gadgets to clothes. One of the backpack's notable features is its USB charging port, making it convenient to charge devices on the go. It also offers a convenient luggage strap, allowing you to secure it to your suitcase for easier transport. The padded shoulder straps and back panel enhance comfort, providing extra support during long hours of wear. This functionality, combined with a sleek and modern design, makes the Puslom extra-large backpack both stylish and practical. No matter the travel circumstance, this backpack has you covered for all your storage needs. Number 5. LoveVook 50L Travel Backpack. Fifth on our list is the LoveVook 50L Travel Backpack, a robust option designed for multi-day trips or adventurous excursions. This spacious backpack can hold up to 50 liters, making it ideal for travelers who need to pack everything from clothes to camping gear. The sleek, stylish exterior is complemented by multiple compartments designed to keep your items organized and easily accessible. The durable, water-resistant material means that you don't need to worry about the weather while on your travels. It features padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel, ensuring comfort whether you're carrying it to the airport or hiking to your next destination. Furthermore, the reflective strips enhance safety during nighttime travel or walks. The versatility of the LoveVook backpack extends to its multitude of pockets for easy organization. From a dedicated laptop compartment to side pockets for water bottles, every feature is designed with the traveler in mind. For those wishing to maximize their packing efficiency while staying stylish, this backpack is a must-have travel gift. Number 6. Qutool Small Travel Pillow. At number 6, we introduce the Qutool Small Travel Pillow, an excellent solution for anyone who struggles to get comfortable during long trips. This pillow is designed ergonomically to provide the best support for your neck, making it perfect for airplane rides or car journeys. Made from high-quality memory foam, the pillow adapts to your unique neck shape, promoting proper alignment and alleviating discomfort. The removable pillowcase is made of soft, breathable materials to keep you comfortable for hours on end. The compact design allows it to be easily packed into your carry-on or attached to your bag, ensuring you have the comfort you need wherever you go. It also features a convenient travel bag, which makes it effortlessly portable. Whether you're a back, side, or front sleeper, the Qutool travel pillow will have you rested and ready to explore your next destination. It's an essential travel accessory that combines comfort and convenience, making it the ideal gift for anyone who loves to travel. Number 7. Vlando Personalized Makeup Bag. Rounding out our list at number 7 is the Vlando Personalized Makeup Bag, a perfect gift for the beauty aficionado in your life. This stylish cosmetic bag stands out not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its exceptional quality. Available in multiple colors and customizable with initials, it adds a personal touch that every traveler will appreciate. Crafted from high-quality materials, the bag is durable and designed to withstand the rigors of travel. It features multiple compartments, allowing users to organize their makeup and skincare products effectively. The soft interior lining prevents scratches and damage to cosmetics, ensuring everything stays in pristine condition. There you have it, our roundup of 7 budget-friendly travel gifts that are perfect for every traveler. Each of these items combines practicality and flair, ensuring that they will be loved and utilized on adventures around the globe. From stylish cosmetic bags to spacious backpacks, you can't go wrong with any of these options. If you found these recommendations helpful, consider subscribing for more travel tips and gift ideas. Safe travels and happy gifting!